Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the best YouTube channel for stock market. So if you are a student and if you want to make money, so forex trading or stock market would be the best one. And the very common problem is finding the best YouTube channel. So when you search on Google best YouTube channel for stock market, and you will find lots of results. Okay, so I got a website, it's called powerfultutorials.com and best YouTube channel for stock market. Okay, so I found this website is very helpful. So let's open this website. You'll find the best YouTube channels for stock market beginners, and this is the first one, financial education, and you will find the channel highlights. So let's click on that and it will open a new tab. Very easy to grab the exact YouTube channel. And the second one is very popular Graham Stephan, and let's open his YouTube channel. Third one is Stock Moi, and the fourth one is Investing with Rose. Top YouTube channels for stock market news, especially for news. So if you learn about latest news for stock market, so definitely Bloomberg Markets and Finance is the best one. Also the CNBC television, okay, you can follow them. Also you already know that. And Yahoo Finance is still available, Yahoo Finance, and the monthly fall. Okay, all the YouTube links are there, so you don't have to waste time to searching on YouTube especially. So visit this URL, I will link in the description below. So you just got the exact YouTube channel. When you search on the financial education, maybe you'll see the lots of education channel over there. That's the main problem, the beginners who don't know the exact URL but exact YouTube channel. That's the problem, I think so. That I already faced before when I want to learn something. So you can see Graham Stephan, I've already subscribed his channel. It's a long time ago. So 1K videos, he mostly talk about the latest US latest market, like real estate, finance, and Stock Moi, another greatest financial education and finance on stock crypto channel. You can follow it. Okay, helping you create a life of total financial freedom. That's her goal. Okay, so especially why you should spend time to watching this kind of YouTubers, because if you want to really make money, that's the point, nothing else. This is not entertainment, this is not a serial, or this is not a funny movies. Okay, so this is the videos, those can help you to motivate you, so encourage you to invest, to making money, to making decision, and lots of things. So Bloomberg television, so you don't have to waste time to watch televisions, so you can rather watch their financial or investing videos. And the most fantastic YouTube channel, like the monthly fall, so smarter, happier, and richer, making the world. I love this. Founded in 1993, the oldest financial service company. Okay, so this is for today. I hope you find these videos helpful, so please comment below and don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next video.